In the following clip, you will learn how to replace the display on the Huawei P40 Lite. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. These instructions are intended for displays with frames. For safety reasons, the battery should be charged below 20%. With a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius, heat up the back cover so that the adhesive with which the back cover is attached loosens. Position the suction cup and use a flat tool to slide along the edges. Remove the 10 marked cross screws. Now you can disconnect the battery connection. Remove the adhesive stripes as shown in our video. If they tear, you can use the hairdryer to soften the glue carefully. If the battery gets deformed or damaged when you remove it, you should also replace it. Remove 8 more Phillips screws. After that, you can remove the speaker module. Carefully remove the antenna. Remove the connecting cable. Use a hairdryer to carefully warm up the Daugtherboard. Take off another flex connection and remove the screw underneath. Detach another flex connection and remove the front camera. Use the hairdryer to carefully heat the mainboard. Remove the SIM tray. Remove the motherboard. Now remove the 2 marked cross screws. Depending on the replacement display you have purchased, the following parts may already be pre-assembled. You can finally remove the button cable. Then, use the hairdryer again before you can remove the earpiece. Finally, remove the sensor. You can start installing the new display. Remember to remove any foils. Position the sensor and the earpiece into their place. Thread the button cable and screw it in its place. Now position the mainboard and insert the screw. Finally, you can reattach the front camera. Connect the two flex connectors. Position the Daugtherboard in its place. Now attach the connection cable. Carefully connect the antenna cable. Make sure that it fits correctly. Install the speaker module and screw it in place. For the battery, use the appropriate adhesive stripes or double-sided tape. Insert the battery and press it into place. Then tighten the battery flex connection. Remove the adhesive around the camera cover, back cover, and frame. Now you can insert the antenna module. Insert the tin screws and tighten them. Apply a suitable adhesive foil for the back cover. At last, you can position the back cover and press it in carefully. Glad we were paired together. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell.